everyone, welcome back once again, and in this video I will show you how you can transform your old kurti and you can add some design in your plain kurti. So this is the kurti I will be using, and this was my kurti and I am redesigning it for my daughter, and because it has round collar or band collar, so that's why I won't be making another neckline because it will fit to my daughter perfectly, but I'll be adding some tick buttons so it will be more close, not deep, according to her neckline. So first thing I will do is I place my kurti inside out, and I will iron it very well. After you finish ironing and then start taking measurements, as you all know that I use my patterns a lot because they're a lot easier to use. If you don't know how to make them, please do check my previous video, and if you think you need more a modified version, please do let me know in the comment as well so I can do it for you, and I will definitely share you different sizes as well in my upcoming video. What I basically did, I will tell you very quickly the measurements. Usually the shoulders are 5.5 inches. First, the length I am taking here is 33 inches, and after folding the hem it would be 30. Alright, for the shoulders, if your neckline is regular, then take your regular measurement, which is 5.5 inches, but for the collar neckline I took 5 inches. For the chest, 8 inches, waist 7.5 inches, and hips are 8.5 inches. For the armhole length I marked 5.5 inches, and then from there you have to make a curve to make an armhole, and after that cut it. Make sure you have 1 inch extra for the seam allowance. Don't cut on the marking because that's the stitching mark. My daman mark is same as the hip mark, which is 8.5 inches, and now I will basically mark for my laces. So I will be putting laces at the front and at the back. It's entirely up to you that you want to use the fancy one or you want to use for your regular wear. So this this kurti I am redesigning for casual wear to wear on top of jeans, so I will be using this cotton lace. But if you want to give a little bit more design, then definitely add some color. If you use the self color, that would be nice as well. But if you're using this kind of lace, the one I am using in this material, or sorry, in this design, so what you can do to modify it, you can use the flat beads, and you can put it in between where the holes are. So now I will mark for where I want to put my lace on. So basically I turn my fabric in, I fold my fabric in half and then fold it one more time, and I iron it. I didn't want to mark with the help of chalk or marker because I won't be able to see it while I'll be stitching. Or you can measure with the inches tape and mark it and then fold it and then make an iron mark to sew this lace. For the cutting, for cutting the sleeves, because these are the quarter sleeves for myself as well, but my daughter, she doesn't like half sleeves or short sleeves, so I have to make full length sleeves for her, which is 16.5 inches, and I have to add 2 inch more. So what I will be doing, I'm gonna add some design into the sleeves, and this is the leftover fabric. I will be cutting a 3 inches white strip. uh, the length of this strip is going to be same as your wrist width. So the length is going to be 3 inches, because I'm gonna fold half an inch from top and bottom, so the ready would be 2 inches, and I have to add lace into it, and as I will go, you will be able to see that what I mean. Cut any excess of fabric. If you want to make a fitted um, sleeves, is entirely up to you. And now I am going to start stitching. I just wanted to show you some how I am doing it, because some people like to see in detail. Make sure when you are cutting, you sew your shoulders or any seams which you are not opening, just sew it one more time. And I made a mistake, I didn't sew my shoulders back, so they were not stable. Make sure when you start from your first stitch from the uh, you have to start your second stitch at the same from the same side, because otherwise you would have bulking or puckering going on. After that, I will just sew all the sleeves hemming which needs to be done, and then I will show you how I will attach the sleeves together. Now from the longer portion, I am stitching my lace on top of the fabric. You can sew from the under the fabric or top of the fabric, it's entirely up to you. Now I will attach the remaining strip I just sewed. So this is how it will create a really nice design. You can use this design, you can actually cut two strips and join them, they will look more nicer and fancier. After that, I will join my sleeves. And then I'll do the fittings. After that, just hem the just close your chalks and hem the bottom of your kurti, and that's about it. I hope you got some idea to redesign your old kurti, and this is how I finished it. And in the middle, it was so simple, so I just added some lace. So if you have something in your mind or you wanted to give me some kind of challenge, I'll be open for the challenge. And hashtag Stylo Blender if you want to make any request, or you can definitely post it on my Facebook page. All the links are in description box, and please share and do watch my videos, this video, upcoming video, and please shower your love and lots of praise for you guys. Have fun, enjoy, and take care. Bye now.